Hello and welcome. Today is the 17th of September 2020. It's 3:37 local time, and this is Euro dollar an hour chart 1.17989. And exactly what expected happened. Yeah, price went down. You may remember from my review from yesterday when I drew in this blue area here, I said it may as well also go down for those stops here, especially if more dumb money long is coming to the market, and this is exactly what happened. So dumb money longest came, the green bars, trying to buy the dip, and in response the smart money cartel pushed the price all the way down to the MT, the medium term stop, the orange line, taking out, look at this classical stop run pin, and then pull back up against those shorties trying to short. So that really demonstrates well several principles I have been explaining for quite some time now. This is how the market works, and those are situations where you can place trades if you have access to the market causality, because what you're doing is basically you anticipate how the smart money will react to the dumb money trading activity, to the placement of the stops, the areas where stops accumulate, etc. And it's not rocket science. Also, allow me to explain that there's not that much information on the chart. If you're a novice and you see that, it may look overwhelming, but actually, let me explain that once more for the lady ones of you. So remember, this shows you the actual dumb money positions live, the ones which are still in the market. This histogram shows you the historic ones so that you can see which dumb money positions left the market already or were kicked out. This is the same again, just with another source. Here on the y-axis you also see the dumb money positions respective, like at which prices there are how many accumulations of positions. So you see longest green bar, shorties. These are those ones, yeah. So you see when those entered, how many entered at which prices, and which ones are still in the market, which ones were in the market. All right. And then regarding stops, you see the orange lines, which are actual medium-term stop accumulations. Orange if they are below the price, yellow when they're above the price. So the yellow ones are the stops of the dumb money shorties who are short. The orange ones are the stops of the dumb money longies who are long. And then you see also short-term stops, which are the blue and turquoise lines, which are also important, as you can see, but take second priority after the medium-term stops. And you see other things as well, such as the medians and so on, and I won't explain that now. But just to give you a rough idea, these are some of the main factors, okay? Dumb money stops on different time frames, dumb money positions, live and historic. And as you can see, this together with some basic chart analysis gives you a pretty good idea of what prices will do. Some of this very tradable, or if you have a system, you can filter trading signals based on this market structure. That's very powerful. If you have an EA, an expert advisor, you may decide to switch on or off the robot depending on how the bias is based on the market structure. It's not rocket science. It requires you to invest some time to study, obviously. I've explained it before. Go to the content I provide for free. Go to the website www.sme-fx.com. There's a forum there. There is free content videos, okay, on my channel SMEFX. You find loads of educational videos for free, which explain you many things. There's some content which is not for free, such as the meta levels. For that you have to purchase the video course on the website, but this is basically for the ones who already did the work, okay, who already used all the free resources and already invested time in studying the market causality. Also, check the long thread on Forex Factory I used to run for several years. I don't do that anymore because obviously there's now an own forum on my own website, so I'm not more active there. And I encourage you to use the forum there. And make sure to study and understand those realities of the foreign exchange markets. That's how the game works, okay? You get a very rare insight into the actual mechanics of the market. Normally this is only open to institutional traders, okay, and retail traders and other traders on the buy side will never ever even have a chance to understand those principles. So please appreciate what I'm doing here, take advantage of it, okay? And if you are serious and you want to be serious about your trading, then go all the way, okay? And subscribe to the MK live stream so you see all this stuff live, like here, and you're able to trade it and to compete with the best algorithms in the world, to compete with the artificial intelligence which is used by the smart money cartel. All the best and stay safe.